Hi guys, welcome my second video on YouTube. In this last video, I'm created a header and header section using the Droip. In this tutorial, you will be learn how to create a client part with endless loop, and there also you can create a service section with the hover effect like this one. So let's get started with this brand new video in this Droip Builder. You can see this section I created in the last video. If you're interested how to create this section, so you can check my video. I will add the link on the description. So now how to create this section, you can see this client section. So let's move. Click the layer panel, and you can see there is a two-part container and bg color section. So I want to add a tip inside then inside of this. So we can add element in Droip 3 way, and I'm going to share a tricks how to add element in Droip. So click this global search button. After then you can write the element name and select this one and drag it and put here. So this element is appear here. Okay, but I cannot see it properly because in this last video I created I will add a sorry in last you cannot see properly because in last video I add a property hidden, so that's why you cannot see clearly. So I am remove it now. So now I'm going to rename it client wrapper, and I'm going to add also another div. You can click here and add an element like this one. So I'm adding an element and I'm going to rename it is client, and you can also add here click the element, and this is the selected part is client, and you can drop here add element, or you can also click this div element, it will be add. You can see I'm click here and add a div element. So I'm going to again layer panel and rename it client item. Okay, then client item, you can see every part is a left and right uh, shape. So I already add this right shape in the media. So I'm created this layout. First of all, we need a images and paragraph on images. So it will be and be client item. Now I want to get like this one. So here I need to add a image element, after then paragraph and image. So click this here, here is a empty element, and click and select this on SVG. You can see this is the two part, one is left shape, another is a right shape. I am going to add left shade for this part. You can see this is a left shade, and I'm going to add this part is the right shape. So this one. So I hope it's now visible. Yeah, so I'm going to detach this name. Okay, then so copy this text from here and select the parent element client item and set a display flex and add gap 4 pixel for each item. You can see this is visible now. So I need to add a background for the client wrapper. So I'm going to add a background for the client wrapper, white 10%. So now this one, and I'm going to copy this on this one again, this one again, this one again, and change their name innovation tool and user friendly. Yeah, I'm duplicate this one again. You can also duplicate in this, press this command D or control D. So this one, business innovation, but I cannot see here properly. So I'm going to add a flex in the client section. Go to structure and select the flex, and you can see these are the same gap 30 pixel every portion, and put this add duplicate this duplicate this on, and here add. So when I'm going to add another element, you can see this is a shrink. So select the item, select item. Every item has a name, similar name, so I think we need to rename this one. So I'm rename it client item. So every element will be renamed. You can see every element will be renamed. So now it is a flex child, and select this flex ratio. You can see here the flex shrink. If you set this value is a flex shrink 0, it will not shrink. Yeah. So and here is the problem for the already added a new line, so I'm so fix it. So you can see this is the part. So and add the margin top from the part. It will be 90 pixel, and select the hero section and clip the content hidden. So this design is look like similar. Now how to create like this interaction. So first of all, we need to add a size for this div. We will add a max content. After then duplicate the client section again. You can see I'm already duplicated, but I cannot it cannot visible because of the visibility hidden of the parent element. So select this client wrapper again and set a display flex and add a gap 30 pixel. Okay, this two element is are horizontally aligned. So how to achieve this interaction field? Okay, go to the interaction panel and select the pages and select this page load, and click a custom response, and you can see here already select the element canvas at the animation property. So select this client wrapper and add a move element. Move I'm going to add for 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds, so it will be uh, 10 seconds selected, and I'm going to add minus 50% for vertically, and it will be infinite loop, and it's look like a similar. So we can add another section. We can add a section here. I'm going to add a section and select a container, and inside a container I'm going to add a div, and here I'm going to add a element images, because you can see here we have a image for AI image here. So yeah, image I'm already add in the I'm already uploaded this image. So add here and select the section, put 100 pixel margin and 100 pixel bottom margin. So now it look like similar. So another section here for card element. In section will be a container. Inside a container you can see here is a or has a title part and the card items. So I'm going to add a div. In the div will add a title and paragraph. So it has this default class. Yeah, this one, and copy content from the Figma, and copy here from Figma, put here, and also copy here from. So add style in this heading, service title. Maybe it's not a service title, I'm selected wrong. This one, service title. Yeah, title will be enter 60 pixel. I'm going to add 60 pixel and add a color, and it look like okay, and here it look like okay. So I need to remove their default class, default. Okay, I'm going here also again add a flex. Now you can see this paragraph is large, so add a size for paragraph. I'm adding 490 pixel for paragraph size, and it will be, yeah, look like. So set this property display justify between space between align item center, so it look like similar. And add another div in the container, add another div, it will be service service card, service card, and I'm add another div for service card item. Yeah, so we need to add the background color first. So here is the background color, copy it, select the background color and select, I'm going to paste here, and it will be 10%. Yeah, so in this in this card has a two part, one header and take content element. So now we are added two div, on for header, you can see. Okay, I need to rename this card. It is cards and card item. This one for the card top, and another div will be card content, card content. So this is the two part card top and card content. Now we need to create this one first. So I'm going to another div for this section. You can see here is the image, and also here is a text. So we need to wrapper. I'm going to add a name, service name, just a section, service name, and copy this name here, paste service name. Okay, so add a image and paragraph. So for this image, you can see this is a diamond on, and here it is already have a height width. Add a height width for image 62 pixel, 62 pixel. Now detach this default paragraph class and add service name text. Okay, here the content I'm copy from here. Yeah, so yeah, so we need to add a background for this one. So add a background, it will be white 10, and add a padding for 6 pixel, and it will be 16 pixel left. Okay, then this one, so I need a SVG element for this top card top, and I'm select this card top and add a SVG element. Click here and copy the SVG code from this Figma, and inline tool, paste SVG. You can put a SVG code also here. So select and update it. You can see this is our SVG, but it is large. So resize this SVG. It will be, I think, 40 pixel or 36 pixel, 36 pixel. So now our design is look like similar, but we need to more fixing. Set a flex and add gap for 8 pixel, and add a radius for 100 pixel. It will be pill shape, and flex this parent element cut off. Select this flex cut off and set this flex item, and put this alignment item center, justify content between Yeah, our card topics look like similar. We want to add this card content. Here is a card content is two part, one is header, another is a paragraph. So copy this header content. Yeah, so we need a header and a paragraph. So I'm add this content from here and here. So remove their default class, name is card service card title. Okay, so fix enter font will be white. Yeah, so I'm put again wrong this place, data here from and add it here, service card title. So okay, now yeah, so here is a default browser style. So preset is 0, set is 0, and this is the paragraph. I think here is already at a 16 pixel. I'm going to remove this bottom part and fix this line height. Yeah, so our design is look like similar, so we need to add a border and padding. You can see 40 pixel and 24 pixel padding. So select this card item from the layer card item, select 44 pixel bottom, 40, sorry, it will be 40 pixel and 24 pixel, 24 pixel for card. This one is 20 pixel and border color will be 1 pixel solid, and it will be 10%, sorry, 30%. So you can see our design is look like similar. So our card item is ready. So now select this cards and set this structure is grid, and you can see this is our grid item, and you can visible here also. So put this 30 pixel row gap, 30 pixel column gap. Yeah, so now duplicate this card item, select this one and control D. So our card is ready now. Now we need to add this hover effect. So how can we add the hover effect in this card? See, here is a expand button, click here. After then you can see here is a hover. Select the hover. You can put any style of this card. So now for myself I'm at change this hover color for this, for every cut. So you can see this is a hover state. I'm going to remove this one. Now you can hover anyone, you can see this effect, the hover effect. Okay, this content from this here. So I'm going to change the content, this second cut. So I'm going to change this content and select this image and replace this one and select this one. Now you can easily change this content. So hover this part, it will hover an every item. So click the preview, you can see this preview button, click this one. Yeah, our landing page is ready. You can see this is a client part and this is a hero section, and this is a service card and with the hover. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe my channel. Have a good day.